Boys, in our yesterday's class, that is, we covered almost intermediates, nitrine, carbene, we covered, boys. Now, the last one, which is benzene. It is also the reaction intermediate, boys. That means during course of reaction, these are appeared. In elementary steps, it is not reactant, it is not productant. But through this intermediate, so reactions are taking place. So those are called as reaction intermediates. That is carbocation, carbanion, carbon free radical, radical ion, next halide, next carbene, nitrine. These are we completed, boys, up to yesterday. Now the last one, that is benzene. It is also reaction intermediate, boys. What is benzene? It seems to be benzene-like structure. Benzene, but YNE? YNE means a triple bond exists, boys. So there is a triple bond in benzene. So how this triple bond is formed? So actually, benzene. So here this is sp2 hybridized carbon. Every carbon in benzene is all carbons are in sp2 hybridization, just like in your benzene. Okay, so here these carbons are bonded with hydrogens. But here those two hydrogens are removed. So here one sp2 hybrid orbital, here one sp2 hybrid orbital are there. Okay, these hybrid orbitals, see here, these are sp2 hybrid orbitals. These hybrid orbitals perpendicular to the molecular orbitals of benzene, and they trying to attain sidewise overlapping. That gives a pi bond, no doubt, but it is very, very weak bonded. Actually, hybrid orbitals cannot form pi bonded, but here rarely it may be possible. It is our assumption. So that bond due to sp2 orbitals, sp2 orbital. So that gives a pi bond which is perpendicular to the molecular orbitals of, that is called as orthogonal bond, and all, which is also called as orthogonal bond, perpendicular to the molecular orbital of benzene, that is benzene ring. That means above and below the plane. Okay, so this is benzene bonds. So benzene bond is nothing but there is a triple bond. There is a triple bond between carbon and carbon bonds. Please be conscious. This C triple bond C, which is called as benzene bond, it is very, very weak bond and highly reactive, because this formation is not in common condition. It is very, very rare cases. So it is highly unstable and very, very weak bond. So therefore it is highly reactive. Benzene is highly reactive. That triple bond is not similar to a triple bond present in alkynes. So benzene triple bond is not similar to, C triple bond C in alkyne cell. So this C triple bond C is entirely different. Here C triple bond C, there is a bond between carbon and carbon. Two pi bonds are there. These are sidewise overlapping. One more pi bonds are there. These are sidewise over. Here p orbital sidewise overlapping takes place. So that is a C triple bond C. It is common. But here hybrid orbitals are involved in the pi bond formation. That is not in common situation. So it is entirely different from, so C triple bond C in alkynes, in particular acetylene, we know. Okay, so benzene is nothing but a two hydrogens less in benzene, right? That is called as benzene. That is a dihydrobenzene is commonly called. So it is dihydrobenzene, not benzene. This is also called as dihydrobenzene. Okay, so boys, so benzene, this pi bond, these are in delocalized situation. So 6 delocalized electrons are there. So aromatic in nature, even though it is aromatic in nature, because this bond is very, very weak, so that is highly unstable. Benzene is highly unstable. So benzene also involved in two resonance structures, just like in benzene. So this is benzene resonance structures. So here pi bond in benzene. So this is more stable than actually unstable. Both these are highly unstable. In that, this is something more stable than this. Something more stable than this. So benzene actually exists in two conditions. So if both the electrons are in same one sp2 orbital, so that means this carbon gets negative charge, this carbon gets positive charge. If those two are in unpaired situation, this is called as a di-ion situation. This is a di-radical situation. Both these are possible in case of benzene. Both these are possible in case of benzene. Benzene exists as a di-ion or di-radical. If it is di-ion, one is positive, another one is negative. So that is treated to be a Zwitter-ion, boys. So two ions are exist in a single molecule, that is Zwitter-ion situation may possible. Zwitter-ion situation may be possible. Zwitter-ion means a single molecule has both positive and negative ends. It has both positive and negative. That has a Zwitter-ion thing. That is called as Zwitter-ion, boys. That type of Zwitter-ions may be possible here. Okay. So this is the structure of benzene, boys. Here the pi bond due to orthogonal overlapping of sp2 and sp2 orbitals. Actually, sp2 orbitals, hybrid orbitals cannot form pi bonds, but here it is possible. It is very, very rare in case of this. Okay. Now, how to generate benzenes? That is the preparation of benzene. Preparation of benzene. See here, boys. That is formation of benzenes. First one, from halobenzene. See here, chlorobenzene I am taking, boys. This is chlorobenzene. So to this is alpha hydrogen, boys. This is alpha carbon. This is alpha hydrogen. This alpha hydrogen is alpha hydrogen, which is acidic in nature. So released as H plus ion. Released as H plus ion. So in the presence of strong base, that is why I'm using a strong base, just like NaH2 minus ion. NaH2 minus ion. This is strong base, boys. This strong base absorbs this H plus ion. Now this carbon gets negative charge. So that gives this is our halogen. This carbon gets negative charge. After this, it loses its electron, that is minus Cl minus, that gives, because of influence of this one. This one gets negative charge, this one gets positive charge. This is di-ion, boys. Now this positive and negative gives a bond formation that gives benzene. That is nothing but benzene. It is our benzene. So this is the way to prepare benzene, boys. This is the way to prepare benzene. Okay. So next, second preparation method. Second preparation method, that is dihalo compound. This is halogen, boys. When reacts with sodium metal, whenever sodium metal is involved, generally there is a radical mechanism, boys. Here, two radicals possible. This one has unpaired electron, this one has unpaired electron, boys. Okay, so that leads to the formation of benzene. Their ions, here radicals. So this is benzene. This is benzene. Okay. Next, third preparation method. That is when benzene it is halogen, it is SO3H or sulfuric acid or diazo compounds, something is there. So during this process, it is heat H. It is heat H. So this is SO3, this SO3 or this N2 gas are escaped, boys. That gives this one gets negative charge, this one gets positive charge. That leads to the formation of benzene. That is benzene. That is possible. Okay. Next. Just a minute. First of all, that is, this is chloric. Negative ion. This released as Cl minus. So this one gets positive charge. Now it becomes benzene. That's correct. So step by step explanation. Okay. So this is also benzene, boys. So here is in place of SO3, I am taking CO3. Here also, boys. This one also positive. This one also accepted. Okay. So these are all different methods. So now some more problems, some more methods. See here, I am giving collectively at one place. Benzene, COO, peroxide, boys. Peroxide. If it is light is focused, so automatically here homolysis takes place. That gives benzene. That gives benzene. Okay. Next. Dihaloid. Already we covered, boys. Dihalo. I'm taking diiodide. Diiodo. So it is also heat H. That gives benzene. That gives benzene. Next. Here C double bond O. C double bond O. So this is anhydride, boys. This is anhydride. So that anhydride is also heat H. So H nu or up to 600 degrees centigrade heating it. Either light or heating it. Homolysis takes place. That was also gives benzene. Okay. Next. Double bond O, double bond. This compound, boys. This is heated up to 800 degrees centigrade. That one also gives benzene. So all these reactions gives benzene, boys. These are the preparation methods of benzene. These are the preparation methods of benzene, and this is the end of benzene, boys. So no reactions I am here I am explaining, boys. So this is, so what is benzene? How is its form? What is its structure? So their carbons are in sp2 hybridization. So pi bond also with sp2 hybrid orbitals which are perpendicular to the plane of molecular orbitals of benzene, boys. So this is benzene. This is the end of reaction intermediates, and this is the end of this weekend syllabus. So up to this, tomorrow we have an exam.